Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, your destination for the most mind-blowing machines on four wheels, and today, we're shifting into an entirely new gear. Imagine the speed and prestige of a Bugatti, but stretched into the form of a hyper-luxury motorhome. That's right, we're diving into the world of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a $5 million road-going masterpiece that blends hypercar DNA with five-star living. At first glance, it's impossible not to be stunned by the exterior design. Sculpted with precision and aggression, this motorhome carries the unmistakable styling cues of a Bugatti Chiron, from the horseshoe-shaped grille to the fluid aerodynamics that wrap around its massive body. Its carbon fiber shell doesn't just scream performance, it shaves off precious weight, allowing this behemoth to glide with supercar-like grace. Sleek LED matrix lights, active aero flaps, and hidden vents make it look less like a traditional RV and more like a spaceship on wheels. Underneath the skin, this luxury titan isn't just for show. Powered by a re-engineered version of Bugatti's signature W16 engine, now hybridized with dual electric motors, the motorhome delivers a staggering 1,200 horsepower. Yes, this isn't your grandpa's camper. It can go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds and tops out at a limited 155 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension offer buttery smooth rides across highways and even light off-road trails, ensuring you're always traveling in style and comfort. Step inside, and the jaw-dropping continues. The interior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is more akin to a private jet suite than any camper you've seen. Wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and diamond-stitched leather, the cabin oozes elegance. The smart glass roof changes opacity on command, while ambient LED lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day or your mood. Every surface has been crafted for touch, comfort, and visual pleasure. The living area features a fully motorized extendable slide-out that opens up a luxurious lounge with reclining leather chairs, a 75-inch OLED screen, and a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. The kitchenette is a tech lover's dream, outfitted with a smart induction cooktop, a hidden espresso bar, and a voice-controlled refrigeration system. Opposite the lounge sits a handcrafted dining space with seating for four, complete with a carbon fiber tabletop and retractable champagne holder. Moving further back, the motorhome houses a spa-like bathroom with rainfall shower, heated floors, and a Japanese smart toilet. At the rear lies the pièce de résistance, a master suite with a rotating king-size bed, a retractable skylight, and a hidden closet system with motorized racks for clothing and luggage. Technology-wise, the Bugatti Motorhome includes AI-based driving assistance, real-time diagnostics, facial recognition entry, satellite internet, and even drone-based surveillance for added security. Whether you're cruising the French Riviera or parking in the Alps, this rolling mansion ensures you're always traveling first class. And there you have it, a machine that redefines what luxury and performance mean in the world of motorhomes. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't just an RV, it's a lifestyle statement, a futuristic castle on wheels, and a hyper-luxury icon that's turning the entire industry on its head. Thanks for watching Auto Speed's Vibes, where speed meets style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more jaw-dropping rides like this one. Catch you in the next drive.